Let's start with the first program of VTU syllabus. The first program 1A, it is like this. Write a Python program to find the best of two test average marks out of three test marks. Input, we have to give marks of three tests. Out of that one, best of two will be selected and their average will be calculated. And to do that one, we will be using if, elif, and else. Okay, first initially we will be using the input function to read the input from the keyboard. Okay, we are having three variables m1, m2, and m3. Those three variables, they will be the marks of test 1, test 2, and test 3. And that marks, the user, you will be entering from the keyboard, and they are of integer format. And after that one, we are checking whether m1 is greater than m2, that is first test marks is greater than second test marks. And then we are checking one more condition, nested if. So if m2 greater than m3, okay, then total is equal to m1 plus m2. Okay, that means test 1 marks greater than test 2 and test 2 marks greater than test 3. So m1 and m2 are the biggest two numbers. So total is equal to m1 plus m2. And m1 greater than m2, in that one m2 not greater than m3, then total is equal to m1 plus m3, right? M2 not greater than m3, that means m3 is greater than m2, that means m2 is the least one, so we are leaving that one and we are calculating total is equal to m1 plus m3. And coming to this one, elif, that means if m1 not greater than m2, that is else if m1 greater than m3. If m1 is greater than m3, then total is equal to m1 plus m2. Okay, so if this condition m1 greater than m2, if that is not true, or m1 greater than m3, that is not true, then total is equal to m2 plus m3. If m1 is not greater than m2 or m1 not greater than m3, then m2 and m3 are the two biggest numbers, right? So total is equal to m2 plus m3. Then average is equal to total divided by 2 to find average of two highest marks. Okay, then we will be printing the output. The average of the best two test marks is average.